Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated October 4, 2022. Indian equity markets ended on a positive note today. Nifty opened gap up around 17,147 and managed to make a day high of 17,287. After that, we can see positive momentum building in the market. At the time of close, Nifty managed to close above 17,270, which is a good sign. Similarly, SENSEX climbed up almost 1,276 points to give a closing of 58,065. Talking about sectors, all sectors ended in green, with Nifty Metals and Nifty Private Bank emerging as top-performing sectors. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are IndusInd Bank, Adani Ports and Bajaj Finance. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 5.25%, 5.21% and 4.3% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those two stocks which ended as top losers. They are Power Grid and Dr. Reddy. They fell by 0.95% and 0.13% respectively. In terms of today's corporate news, we have the following developments. Drug firm LUPIN on Tuesday said it has received an approval from the U.S. health regulator to market darunavir tablets, used to treat human immunodeficiency virus infection, in the American market. The Mumbai-based company said it is the exclusive first filer for 800 mg tablets and is eligible for 180-day exclusivity. LUPIN will also potentially have shared 180-day exclusivity on the 600 mg tablets. The company has received the approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for the medication in strengths of 600 mg and 800 mg. Reliance Industries subsidiary and U.S.-based Sanmina Corporation have completed the deal to set up electronics manufacturing joint venture at a total enterprise valuation of about 3,300 rupees crore. Reliance Strategic Business Ventures Limited will hold 50.1% equity stake in the joint venture, while Sanmina will have 49.9% shareholding. The National Highways Authority of India, through its latest infrastructure investment trust, has raised 1,217 rupees crore to fund road projects. Infrastructure investment trusts are instruments on the pattern of mutual funds, designed to pool money from investors and invest in assets that will provide cash flows over a period of time. Odisha-based Nilakal Ispat Nigam Limited has started operations nearly 90 days after it was acquired by a Tata Steel subsidiary for 12,000 rupees crore in a bidding process. The plant, with the 1.1 million ton steel-making capacity, was closed for almost 2 years on account of various reasons. WIPRO Limited is up for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 403.7 rupees, up 2.33% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. WIPRO Limited has slipped around 0.44% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 34.25 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 69.77 lakh shares in last 1 month. LUPIN Limited rose for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 732.45 rupees, up 1.43% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. LUPIN Limited has gained around 12.14% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 22.65 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 14.23 lakh shares in last 1 month. BHARAT Petroleum Corporation Limited is up for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 313.15 rupees, up 1.41% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. BHARAT Petroleum Corporation Limited has slipped around 3.57% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 9.05 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 36.22 lakh shares in last 1 month. JINDAL Stainless Limited is up for a third straight session in a row. The stock is quoting at 130.55 rupees, up 1.95% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. JINDAL Stainless Limited has added around 1.2% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 3.25 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 10.53 lakh shares in last 1 month.